What if you never stopped coughing? 1 minute, your chest snaps hard. Every breath slams back out in panic. 10 minutes, your throat feels flayed open. Air burns instead of helping. 1 hour, ribs scream with every spasm. Fear locks into your thoughts. 6 hours, veins burst in your eyes. Your head pounds as oxygen slips away. 24 hours, lungs flood and swell. Thinking blurs, panic turns feral. 3 days, sleep is gone. Muscles fail. You cough on the floor, shaking. 1 week, organs begin to shut down. The cough fades, but breathing doesn't return. Final moment, silence, because your lungs finally give up.